What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller. Today we are at the Salvation Army, which is somewhere, I don't know, it's somewhere behind me here. Haven't done one of these videos in a while. One-stop thrift shop, right? Not a lot of you have a lot of thrift stores. I haven't been here in about 2.5 weeks, so I think that's kind of a good indicator of how often you can go to the same thrift store. But we're gonna see what we get out of here. Maybe you don't have 100 thrift stores in your city. You're curious if you can make money from one thrift store like the Salvation Army if you come here once every 2 weeks. If you're interested in making mucho grande selling on Amazon, especially crappy books, CDs, DVDs, join the YouTube channel, $2.99. We got weekly Zoom calls. You can ask me any question, get all your questions answered. And we got a Discord 24/7 forum where you also can ask questions. Over 250 paying members over there. Great folk, all making a few bucks selling dusty, old, stinky media on Amazon. If I was a guessing man, we may come out of here with an IKEA bag, or we may come out of here with jack squat. You never know what you're gonna get with the thrift store business. And I think it's important for those of you out there that rely on thrift stores I challenge you all to think a little bit outside the box and what are some other opportunities for finding the items in the category you sell that aren't just your thrift stores, because this is almost the end of the line. After the thrift stores, it's the landfill. A lot of thrift stores scan the stuff, sell it online. So unfortunately, if you're in an area where Goodwill is your only business and they're scanning, you got no chance in this. That's just the reality of it. I wish I could sit here and say, you know, Goodwill sucks at it, but they have the software, they have the triggers. The only differentiator we have is we have other options outside of the Goodwill. And if we went to the Goodwill, we can catch things that they don't, right? Because they're just doing low effort, low energy to get some money out. But still, you would not be able to survive if you went to a thrift store where they already picked everything over themselves. So we're gonna see what we got in here. You guys will see my Scoutly screen as I'm scanning. Got my little R2D2 Yo-Yo Bluetooth scanner here. Fingers crossed we can come out. They used to have 99 cents. Hopefully they still do across the board. DVDs, books, CDs are all 99 cents and Blu-rays, which is good. I mean, that's basically as cheap as you're gonna get in today's world, is 99 cents for a piece of media. Anyways, I'm shutting up. It's warming up a little bit out here. We went from like 80 degrees down to like 40-degree lows within like 2 days. I'm ready for summer, even though it's, you know, it's just turning into fall/winter. So we'll see you guys on the inside. Let's go. All right, we are back from the Salvation Army. I just scared Deb off. She's yelling at me at how much of a mess my storage unit is. You got anything to say to people?
He's a slob.
She says I'm a slob. Don't listen to nothing she says, all right? We got a nice size bag from the Salvation Army. So we're just kind of going to go through, see what we got, explain myself for why I bought these things. You've seen the signs. Everything was 99 cents, so just go through some of this. Flying Dreams, a lullaby album. Lullabies actually do really well. If you were the person that just had your earbud in, you would not buy this, but you see there is no used FBAs, so we'll probably price this like $13, $14.99, make like $7 or $8. Gregorian Chant does well. You see this sells fairly quick, makes $7 at $14.72. More lullabies, Rockabye Baby, Dave Matthews Band. I've sold like the Journey ones as well, so these are always good to scan if you see them out there. I think I got one more CD. No offers anywhere to be found. We'll throw this in at $19.99. You make like $12. I've sold this multiple times in the past 2 months. Winnie the Pooh's Halloween movie. So this will sell basically the second it gets checked in, $9 profit. The Good Girl, brand new sealed, $10 profit. Clean and Sober, starring Michael Keaton, $9.95 profit. Matthew Perry's Numb. This is in a Blockbuster case. It's still got the Blockbuster sticker. This is yet again one of those ones you probably would pass, but not me, understanding the data in front of me. We only got one used FBA at $18.98. That's acceptable. They don't qualify for the buy box. We'll come in $17.99. We'll make $10. Mouse Hunt. Fast mover here, $4. Lie to Me. Yet again, this is a perfect example of people that don't know how to price their items or use their repricer correctly. Let me get the live data here real quick so I can tell you why they don't know what the heck they're doing. So you got two people at $8.70. Clearly their repricer is matching the merchant fulfilled offers. No idea what they're doing. Why is $11.98 there either? No idea. We're going to be up around the $21.98. This sells often enough. The three bozos sell out. You sell yours, you make a lot more money. $13 to be exact. Brand new seal, Tinkerbell, $10.50. Brand new sealed Harrison Ford in The Witness, $6.50. Brand new sealed Dumbo, $9.96. Alright, we still got more DVDs in here. Triple feature, Julia Roberts, My Best Friend's Wedding, Stepmom, and Mona Lisa Smile, $9.82. Love's Everlasting Courage, $11.60. Another no used FBA. I have no idea. Chonda Pierce. Probably get around $10 for that in profit after fees. The Horseman on the Roof. $10.10 profit. I think that is it for the DVDs and the CDs. Last but not least, books. No used FBA. Probably make about $7, $8 at $19.99. Road Rage. Deb always yells at me not to honk my horn and get crazy with people because people are nuts. So now I just shut up and drive. $11.10 profit. Time Management Magic, $8 profit. Blessed with a Burden, no used FBA. You would leave this behind. I'll sell it for $20 and I'll make about 10 because it's a smaller paperback. Fiction books don't sell. Well, this one will, and I'll make $5.91 profit. Take the Lead, Full Throttle Engagement, powered by coaching. Same thing, $19.99, probably make closer to $8. This one's a little bit heavier. Grand Illusion, sells pretty often, you make $4. The Great exhibition of 1851. This will be another $19.99, probably make $8. See, the difference between a $20 DVD and a book is you'll make like $11, $12. A book you're only going to make like between $7 and $9 at most. Play like a man, win like a woman. $5 profit. Another one just like that one we had earlier, $5.91. Star Worms, as Deb likes to call it, $5.42. SUV Suck in Combat. This is $16.10, but more realistically, probably closer to $10 profit. More Star Worms, $5 profit. God Smuggler. This is a little bit of a better one here. No used FBA. I do think the new FBA at 59's out of line. I'll probably come in around the $25 mark. We'll make about 15 bucks on that. Twilight Zone Companion.
You're on a scenic route through a state recreation area known as the human mind. You ask a passerby for directions, only to find he has no face or something. Suddenly up ahead, a door in the road. You swerve, narrowly avoiding the scary door.
This is a cover scan. Doesn't even have an ISBN. I think this is around like $10 profit. Footpath My Ass. Other keen observations made by a middle-aged woman hiking the Appalachian Trail. Footpath My Ass. This is pulling off used buy box, which is higher than new buy box, so that is incorrect. Probably want to undercut the new buy box by $1 or $2. You make about $5, $6 on that. Finding Your Own North Star, $9 profit. The Bain Affair, $8 profit. More Star Worms, $4.40 profit. Study guides here, no used FBA. We'll probably price this around like $12.99. We'll probably make about $5. These are super light. Verbal Judo, The Gentle Art of Persuasion, $6.25. The Ancient Romans, $8.03. Drawing Still Lives? Drawing Still Lifes. Learn to draw a variety of realistic still lifes in pencil. Definitely not getting 40 bucks for this, right? This is probably $19.99er. Probably make about $9, $10 because this is super thin and light. The Devil and How to Resist Him.
Mama, when did Ben Franklin invent electricity?
That's nonsense. I invented electricity. Ben Franklin is the devil.
$9.27. Does it give us any tips about the devil? How he uses your virtues against you. Why it's foolhardy to deny Satan's existence or downplay his power. Here comes a loud truck. Last one we got. The Complete Musician. This is a big old book. $44.70 profit. That is everything. This is... I wish this was the reality of like every thrift store, right? You leave with 40 items. But if you do have one solid thrift store and you go to it once every 2 weeks, you can put an extra $500, $1,000 in your pocket every month with Amazon. I believe so, but yet again, this is not every thrift store I walk into. Most of the time, it's maybe 10 to 20 items. It's definitely not, you know, the 40 items we have today. So just keep that in mind. And you did see a lot of the books are $4 or $5 profit versus the DVDs, right? The CDs, especially the new DVDs. You know, we're making $10, $15, $20 profit on those versus the books where it's between $5 and $10. I think the ROI on the books is a lot more important than the disc media because of removal fees and everything as well. So just have that in mind when you kind of look at the different categories you're selling in. But yeah, I mean, I'll never complain about that type of haul, especially when they're giving it all away at 99 cents. That's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more one-stop shop thrifting videos. Bye-bye.